Receive HP Instant Ink replacement cartridges and track shipments. If you recently signed up for HP Instant Ink or installed an HP Plus printer and are curious about when to expect replacement ink or toner cartridges, this video will explain when those cartridges are shipped and how to track the shipment. When you enroll for the HP Instant Ink service, your first set of HP ink or toner cartridges is shipped to you. These cartridges are larger than the ones available in stores. HP Instant Ink plan fees are based on the print plan selected and not the amount of ink or toner shipped or used when printing. Replacement cartridges are not shipped monthly. They are shipped only when you are running low. This means that there is no need to manually order replacement cartridges. Once your printer runs low on ink or toner, HP automatically sends the new cartridges. Your printer must be connected to a wired or wireless network at all times for HP Instant Ink services to have an accurate reading of your ink or toner levels. This enables the triggering of an ink shipment in a timely fashion when it is needed. On a computer or mobile device, open a web browser and go to hpsmart.com. Sign into your HP account. On the left-hand side, select HP Instant Ink and then select Shipment Tracking. From here you can see the shipping date for your most recent replacement cartridge, as well as a tracking number to view the shipment progress. If you are experiencing a unique situation related to replacement cartridge shipments, or if you have a question that was not answered in this video, you can always reach out to a virtual agent by clicking the option in the left-hand menu.